Working on my 1987 Jeep Comanche. The bumper end caps had been wrecked. They look terrible. Ordered new ones, they're like 20 bucks. And the eBay company sent me two right side passengers. So now I'm having to deal with that. They won't answer my emails. They messed up. It's got 3 bolts in it, but you got to take it completely front bumper off to be able to tighten those bolts off. I just cut the old ones off and was able to get the bolts out. Here's the other side. There's the 3 bolts. I actually took out 4. You can see the plastic, it was just bad. But these bolts are clear up in there, hard to get at, that hold the bumper bracket on. And I'm getting it, but now I'm waiting on a bumper bracket. Bumper end cap. Sorry about the lighting, I'm out in the shed, but look at all the tools to work on a simple plastic piece. And then this bolt hole doesn't line up with the original one. It's tight there, so I just had this clip off one of the brake lines just laying on the shelf, so I put it on there to hold the bottom. But I started dismantling everything, and what a project. And now I can't finish it because of the eBay seller.